distance based on basically this diffuse pattern. Machine learning and artificial intelligence initially stemmed from neural network and brain systems, and now there's an interest in going back to the neuroscience principles, trying to understand how the brain does the same things and bring these principles to engineering systems to really push this artificial intelligence forward in a way that we haven't really sort of explored recently. The project is from a funding initiative called Braid, and the goal is to bring neuroscientists together with engineers to use neuroscience principles into machine learning and artificial intelligence. Our fish, they're very interesting little guys that they navigate and they communicate with electric signals, and so it's just a convenient model system to understand sensory processing. And one of the important aspects of their sensory system is that they have a filtering mechanism that continuously learns to filter the signals. And the way they do that is very relevant to machine learning. And so we are trying to understand better how the filtering and the plasticity in this filtering is happening so that we can implement those same rules to machine learning systems. So you can learn fast and forget fast, or you can learn slower and forget slower. And it's very important for a resilient system to have these different time scales. And so that's what we're going to really look at in detail, is to be able to understand how the different timescales contribute to this resilient learning system, and so demonstrate that the different timescales are necessary. And so we will present these different scenarios and quantify how well the neuron respond and how quickly they adapt. And we can then model all this and figure out, well, if we take out some of these learning speeds, well, how well does the neuron do? We have the neuroscience that will give some principles. We have the engineers, the machine learning engineers that will try to implement them in algorithm. But we also have an engineer that works on robots and that uses these computations and these algorithms to drive his robots. And so what I'm hoping is that we're really going to see an impact. It's really translational research in that we're going to see if the principles that I'm studying in my fish really can make a difference at the level of performance of actual moving robots.